Today I had a really awesome mini group call with my members and two things happened. First of all, we discussed a way of how you should master the fundamentals first so you can sign the first few members by just creating content on social media, talking to people, having chats with them, right? Going on calls with them, and by talking to people you sign the first few members into your membership program. That's the first thing that I talked about with my few members on a call. Secondly, we discussed how to then boost it all, how to boost your Skool membership program enrollments, and we discussed how you could run a live webinar here and there per month or per week or so, and from the webinar you could sign a group of people into your membership program. Running live webinar Zoom classes for free helps you to build an email list a lot as well. You can also invite people to come to sales calls after they attended the webinar class, and from a webinar class you can enroll groups of people into your membership program, right? Both of these two things we discussed on the replay of the group call that I'm gonna give you right now, right? How to master the basics, the first thing, and then the advanced things, how to build an email list, how to organize live webinars, how to boost your Skool growth. Enjoy. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them down below in the comment section, and also come into my free Skool community where I give you a free course of how to create your membership program on Skool and sign your first 5 members paying you $100 a month, all for free. Find the link down below and I'll see you in the community. Enjoy this video now. All that we just talked about is the first part of your system. You know, content, chats, going on calls, and enrolling members, more like in a manual way. What I've been working in the last few days right now is the second part of the whole system. So I'm flipping a few things on its head, or however you say that, right? I will focus a lot from now on adding to your system or to my system to run a live class.
Correct.
And I'm going to explain you that you can run a live class one per month, or you can run it per week or every 2 weeks, or just here and there whenever it fits you. Let me tell you why I'm saying this right now. Just because I learned that that's going to become the primary focus of my work with everyone. After you mastered how to do the DMs, how to book calls, how to talk to people, we will start getting ready to boost it all. And we're gonna boost it all when the time is right. I'm ready almost myself to start boosting myself through this process right now, because I'm gonna start running a weekly live class.
Right.
For new people to come to. Running a weekly live class allows all of your LinkedIn people, Facebook people, YouTube people to become your leads effortlessly. They'll be like, you will create content and you'll send emails. You'll be like, hey guys, I'm running a free live workshop. Come on that date. They will all register. More people from LinkedIn. It's easy for them, right? So my point is, it's going to build your email list much further. It's gonna allow you to then DM with all of those people who are attending the workshop. Hey, are you coming? And blah. You can book calls even before the workshop with those people, with some of them. But after the workshop, on the workshop live class, you can enroll 3 or 4 of them live as a mini group of them, 3-4 people, right? Because you're going to do the presentation in that way, which I will teach you how to, right? And those people who didn't sign through the workshop right now, through a live class, you can follow up with them as well. Hey, how did you enjoy the workshop? I'm inviting you to this free call with me, and you're going to do more calls with those, right? So this process system is going to boost it all for us, right? But I'm just telling you that for whenever the time is going to be right for you. For me, this time is now, next week, hopefully.
So I'm ready with my workshop. The 2 things I would look at when you're building that is, so if I post the event on LinkedIn or Facebook, similar to the conversation we just had, is, are they registering on Facebook or LinkedIn? Are we pushing them to the calendar?
We are pushing them to the opt-in page.
Yeah, that's key.
I'm going to have a template, the whole thing for everyone here. You're going to get a whole system of how to do the workshops. There's going to be an opt-in page via DMs and via content. We get everyone to opt in first. We get their email. They get to add the live class to their calendar. They're going to come. And this live class for 1 hour, what happens is they already start creating connection with you. And you do that. You invite 10, 15 people to that live class, connection between all. And I figured that out last time, that all of those 5, 10, 15 people who attend, whoever then signs up, when they come to your weekly group class coaching calls then as part of your membership, right? They are used to the group environment because that's through what they signed up. That's another benefit, because when we do the one-on-one calls, right? If I sign up someone through a one-on-one call, guess what this person would expect then, right? That I'm gonna do one-on-one coaching with them, or they're gonna be maybe part of the community. But if they joined through the group environment, which was your live class, they are already used of the group coaching idea, right?
So that's very important. What you just said, very important.
This is so important. I learned this in the past week, so many breakthroughs in my head, because I was looking for the next thing. And this idea just connects it all, and it is going to allow us to go from, these 5-7 members. It allows you to book more calls, group enrollments, building a team around. You can go then sign up so many more people, right? So anyway, that's what I'm getting ready here for. And we're going to do it slowly, patiently, but just wanted to tell you that, because this is the second part of the system right then, right? Doing that, it builds an email list, and then the automated email sequence will be sent to the people who attended the class, but they didn't sign up, and it's going to try to sell them into the membership. I'll teach that later, right?
So what's really working is I'm getting appointments with people, and they're scheduling them themselves. So I'm really happy about that. I have one I'm working on right now with a proposal with her, and then I have 2 other appointments coming up in the next week. So people are responding. I'm enjoying my inbox messaging with people and then inviting them to a call. So I feel like the momentum is just getting started for conversations.
That's really good that we are seeing this first part working for us, all right? Because even Claire messaged me 3 days ago, and she got to 40 members now, right?
Nice. Very nice.
And just by doing what you said, content and chats and so on, right? Connecting with people, beautiful people. And you see, the key is daily consistency, connecting with people, extending yourself, and be willing to go above and beyond the average, right? And so on. So this confirms to me whatever Carol said at the beginning and Claire did here. If we just show up, do some content, chat with people, try to offer help and so on, things move forward, right? So I'm so happy that this works for a few people here, right?
Yeah, I think it really is. I was on a Zoom last night with a bunch of women entrepreneurs as well, and they were talking about the personal invitations really are the difference.